So in this tutorial I'm going to solve this question number 6th. So this question is from class 10th class 10th CBSE. Exercise is 6 point I think 3 and question number is 6. So let's start it. Question is in figure 6.37. This question is about particularly this figure ABE. This is ABE. Okay, ABE congruence to triangle ACD. So first of all, this is given. I am solving question number 6 right now. Given is triangle ABE. Okay, ABE congruence triangle ACD. What do you mean by congruence? When two triangles are congruent, then you can do their corresponding parts equal by CPCT. So let's think about ABE and ACD. So ABE and ACD are congruent, so you can do equal AB. AB side AB is equal to side AC. Why this is equal? By CPCT. These are the corresponding part of congruence triangle. AB is the side AB is equal to side AC because both are corresponding part of the congruent triangle ABE and ACD. I hope guys you are getting what I am explaining right now. And another, ABE. So I am taking this side again, AE side. Okay, in first case I have taken AB equal to AC. Now I am taking AE. Okay, so before going further, I just doing something more operation here. AB is equal to AC, so you can write AB upon AC is equal to 1. Let this equation first. Okay, this is equation first. Now you can also write again. Okay, again. Because ABE congruence ACD, look at my the dot pointer ABE. So this will be also equal AE side for triangle ABE. Okay, AE will be equal to AC. ABE triangle is congruent to ACD, so this AE is directly corresponding to the AD. Okay, AD is the side of another triangle ABE. A is the side of the first triangle and ACD, that's why AD is the side of another triangle, so this will be directly equal to this. Okay, now you can also write like this, AE upon AD is equal to 1 again. Okay, let this second. This is second. Okay, now what are you looking here? You have to do similar. AD is similar ABC. Okay, so there are many criteria for similarity like double A rule, triple A rule, SAS and triple S. These are major four basic criteria for similarity. So what I am gonna to use to do similar ADE and ABC, hopefully like SAS. Now I'm doing the next operation. So now AB upon AC is equal to 1. Okay, and AE upon AD equal to 1. Okay, so now from equation first and second, this value is equal to 1 and this is also equal to 1. So you can do AB upon AC, AB upon AC, okay, AB upon AC is equal to what? AE upon AD, AE upon AD, okay. So you can also write like this: AB into AD is equal to AE into AC. Why I am doing these types of things, you will get the answer very shortly. Now I'm just trying to find like this AB upon AD like this, okay. So I'm trying to find like this. So right now AB upon AE, A is the part of this, A is the part of this, AB upon AE, when this come in left side, AB upon AE is equal to AC upon AD, okay. Now you can also interchange AB upon, just see the diagram, AB. Right now my condition is AB upon AE, but A is equal to AD, so you can just reverse. You can replace AE by what? You can replace AE by AD, okay, and AC upon AD is also equal to AE, so you can replace AD by AE. You can write like a reference because AE is equal to AD. This is the reference for this. Yeah, so this is the result. You can let this result capital A, okay. Now it's very simple to now prove how you can prove AD similar to ABC. So I am taking some space here. Now in a triangle ADE and a triangle ABC, okay. AD, look at this, ADE and ABC. So this a small triangle, okay, this a small triangle, okay, will be similar this whole large triangle, ABC. So what I am doing here, let's see, in triangle ADE and ABC, okay, I have to erase something. You can write like this, what I am getting here, AB upon AD is equal to AE AC upon AE. Write this relation here, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE, okay. These are the after part of equation A, and angle A is common in both triangles, so you can write reference. This is from assumption A, and angle A is equal to angle A. This is common. So by SAS criteria, triangle ADE will be similar triangle ABC. I hope guys this is clear. Now you can write hence proved. So if you think this is complicated, I am repeating again. This is congruence given AB, so that's why AB is equal to AC, the AB is equal to AC 1, and this side will be also equal 1. Then equation 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 what? I think something already erased here. AB upon AC is equal to AE upon AD. Okay, now I have done the cross multiplication to getting this result. Okay, and this is a very helpful to do the similar of these two triangle ADE and ABC. If you have any problem still now, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8920548912 for any types of the doubt related to maths and science for classes 9th and 12th. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel, and you can also ask any random doubt through this using this WhatsApp number. Thank you.